Good morning. Today I will share with you about early childhood care and education. First of all, I would like to define what is ECCE, and this definition is from UNESCO. Early childhood care and education is more than preparation for primary school. It aims at the holistic development of a child's social, emotional, cognitive, and physical needs in order to build a solid and broad foundation for lifelong learning and well-being. ECC has the possibility to nurture caring, capable, and responsible future citizen. Now, I would like to share with you principles of early learning. बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण है. First, learning begins with from birth. From intimacy, children are mentally and physically active. They learn through all their senses and stimulations. Second, children construct knowledge. They construct their own knowledge or working models while they actively engage in their environment and through repeated interactions with people and material. This simply means that children touch, test, shake things etc. to find out what happens and learn about things in their environment. Third principles, children's curiosity and desire to learn. Children are curious and eager to learn. They have an inherent need to make sense of their experiences and learn about the world around them. Fourth principles, children learn through play. हम सब लोग इस पे एग्री होंगे. Play is the central to the child's well-being and development. Children's spontaneous play provide opportunity for exploration, experimentation, manipulation, and problem solving that are essential for constructing knowledge. Play contributes to the development of representational thought. Next principle, child development and learning are characterized by individual variation. We all agree. No two children are same. Each child has an individual pattern and timing of growth and development as well as individual styles of learning. Children, personal, family experiences and cultural backgrounds also vary. Next principle that is very important. Children's learning reflect a recurring spiral that begins in awareness and moves to exploration, to inquiry, and finally to application. Any new learning by children begins with awareness, which is generated from their experiences with objects, events, or people and ends with utilization, where children are able to use what they have learned for multiple purposes and apply their learning to new situations. At this stage, children start exploring the next level of information and the spiral continues. Next principle, children need to experience success more than failure to form a positive self concept. This is very important. The experience should be planned in accordance with the maturational level of the children, such that they are challenging yet achievable, so as to promote self confidence, When children have confidence in themselves, they do better. They are eager to try new and harder things. They gain newer skills and become more confident and capable. Last but not least, children develop holistically and benefit from integrated experiences and educations. Learning and development of children take place in totality. All the domains of development like physical, motor, cognitive language, social, personal, emotional, and creative and aesthetic appreciation are interrelated and take place simultaneously. So today I have discussed 8 objectives of uh, principles of early learning, and this content I have taken from ECC curriculum 2012 draft.